Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we bring you the latest and most intense update about Sheikh Hamdan and his family. If you are new here and have not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe now and turn on the bell icon so you do not miss any important update. Today I am going to reveal about the whole love story of Sheikh Hamdan. People have many questions. When it comes to Sheikh Hamdan marriage, Sheikh Hamdan is the crown prince of Dubai. He is a public figure, politician and a poet, and he is also popular as the most handsome prince in the world. Even he has very popular lifestyle and even he shared he day to day life in his social media like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. But he have never seen his wife. We only know the name of his wife and the day he got married. Who is his wife? How many wives he has? Who is the mother of his kind? To know that answer for these questions, keep watching. Keep watching our channel as everyone knows Sheikh Hamdan married Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum, who is the first cousin. From his mother's side, to make it more simple, he married his mother's sisters. Daughter, who is Sheikha Thani bin Said Al Thani. After marriage, Sheikh Hamdan she became Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum. They got married on 6th of June 2019. Many people talk about their divorce, but not newspaper has officially published their divorce. If you can just search on Google, you can see Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum is still Sheikha Hamdan. Sheikha Hamdan wife, then what happened between them? And who is the woman Sheikh Hamdan actually loved? Sheikh Hamdan loved another woman since very young age. But Sheikh Hamdan had to accept his arrogant marriage with Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum. Even Sheikha loved Sheikh Hamdan. Sheikh Hamdan's heart was in another place They lived sometimes together, but it is until Sheikh found out Sheikh Hamdan's other relationship. Sheikh Hamdan wrote this to Sheikha to make her happy, but within few days, every turn upside down, Sheikh Hamdan secretly loved his girlfriend since a very long time. He wrote many poems and did many attempts to stop his marriage with Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum. He could not stop his arrogant marriage, Sheikha, but also could not stop loving his girlfriend. This is one of her image. You can see she is actually a beauty. After Sheikha left Dubai, Sheikh Hamdan married her, and she is his second wife, and she is the mother of the kids too. In my previous video, I told you that Sheikh Hamdan is again looking for Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum, and I told you the reason too. You have to watch my past video to know the whole story, but for now I will tell you yet. It very short. This all happened after the death of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zaid bin Sultan Al Nahyan. After the death of him, Sheikh Hamdan got an order from his father. As everyone knows, Sheikh Hamdan is the crown prince of Dubai. And one day he will have to bear the position of his father. So Sheikh Mohammed needs Sheikh Hamdan to be more stable and more protective in his position. That vision of the one was decided his son an arranged marriage. Decided his son an arranged marriage with his own cousin Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum. You may have seen that they are surrounded by their own relatives who are in higher place. It is how normally the royal families are survived. So as father, Sheikh Mohammed bin is correct, but is when come to Sheikh Hamdan's side, it was a very hard thing to do, as he had no feeling for Sheikh, but he did it. With these things, Sheikh Hamdan's beloved person, who is the mother of kids, left him, and Dubai. He is very sad, but he can do regarding this. He had to let her go, and next Sheikh Hamdan again wrote, Many poems for Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum. The poem he wrote on 20th of June was also for Sheikha Thani Al Maktoum. He tried his best, and with the same time he shared this poem too. It says about his sadness and how he wish the soul for his life without a body. Before a few days ago, Sheikh Hamdan come to Dubai for Eid al-Adha. Prayer, but he does not look too happy. After the prayers, he again returned to London. According to the most latest information, they are again together with or without romance. Whatsoever, I wish Sheikh Hamdan a good family life, especially a good life for his kids too. So this is the story of his love life. If you are interested to know more but about Sheikh Hamdan, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon below because I am sharing his love poems and translation and life problems and past situation in his life. So I hope you would enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.